Hello everyone, today we are comparing Honor MagicPad 3 Pro, Honor Pad 10 and Motorola Moto Pad 60 Pro. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Display features. All three tablets come with IPS LCD display. Next, compare the hardware features. Honor Pad 10 and MagicPad 3 Pro are powered by the Snapdragon chipset, and the Moto Pad 60 Pro comes with MediaTek chipset. Camera features. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. These devices include stereo speakers, Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.